Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abby motherfucking Sue, and I'm back with another video.
Come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
So you guys, we have another hair review. That's why my hair is down like that. But I'm super excited because I was actually sent this hair from Alipearl Hair. Look how cute this packaging is, you guys. Look. Ooh. Ah. So yeah, this is the packaging. This is Alipearl Hair, and it has the drawstring. It comes in this like nice satin bag. Fancy. So inside we have a wig cap, which I will definitely need. It comes with adjustable, well, it comes with a band if you want to stitch that onto your wig so it could fit, you know. So that's good. And the wig, of course, so it comes in this bag. The bag does have the size on it. Can you see? It says 20 inches. This is the hair. Off the bat, there's a lot of color strands in there, like browns and reds and silver and stuff like that. And a lot of people don't like that. I'm not one to complain because sometimes I do feel like it makes it look like more natural. It's really nice. I forget what texture they sent me, but I think this is loose curls. It comes with baby hairs. This is the hairline. It is pre-plucked. I might go in and pluck it some more. I might not, but we'll see. The lace is tinted, so yeah, if you want to bleach it, if you want to bleach your knots, you can. It comes with 3 clips and an adjustable strap, and it has lace at the back, you know. Yeah. Bless me, thank you. I am gonna curl this in this video, well, attempt to, because when they told me they were sending me this hair, I actually like looked at YouTube reviews, and a lot of people were saying that it doesn't hold the curl, which is disappointing because I bought this nice wand curler from Conair, and this is bomb. This wand curler is bomb. So if this thing don't hold a curl with that, that's gonna be disappointing. But that's really all I have. Like, the packaging is nice, and yeah, I'm just gonna go install it and I'll be right back. So I installed the hair. I really like this hair. It is so soft, and I cannot stress that enough. This texture is amazing. It says it's 20 inches. It stops right here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And then I'm gonna come back on camera when everything is done. So I'll be back again. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. And I installed the hair, did my little baby hairs and stuff. It's real cute. I parted it to the side. So this is a frontal wig, so you could part it any way you like. So I parted mine to the side, and this hair is real cute. I really love the texture, if you guys like can't tell. This wig has a lot of flyaways. I used my hot comb and I combed it down, but the hair definitely has a lot of flyaways, and that is not a big deal to me, but it is to some people. But the hair doesn't feel thin at all though, because a lot of people be like, when there's a lot of flyaways, it's because the hair is thin. but the hair is not thin at all. It is very full. Lastly, I'm gonna attempt to curl it. I really like how it looks right now, but yeah, I'm gonna attempt to curl it. Let's see how that goes.
Time back, can I go rewind it? My love, you won't find it. You play with my heart, and it done fucked up my mindset. But wait, I can stay away. Unlock the door, I'm on my way. Love when I put a smile on your face. When you out of line, I put you in your place. I wanna leave, but I'm here to stay. I can sense your vibe from a mile away. I've been thinking about you all night. Ain't seen my baby like all day. I used to open up doors for you. Now, girl, I regret calling you. Until I'm all I was spoil you. Girl, I almost went to war for you. Did everything you asked me to. Always put up with your attitude. You will always get mad at me, but I can never stay mad at you. Oh, baby, girl, I remember the times when you used to scream my name. When you used to scream my name. My name, my name. I cannot stay away, girl, I don't know why. We should just knot it up. The love is a soul tie. You should come over and let me hold you. You get to know me. I get to know.
Hey you guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I tried to wand curl the hair and this is what I got. So the curls did not hold. So I guess the problem with the hair is not that it can't curl, it's just that it doesn't hold the curl. But also new hair tends to have problems holding a curl. You have to wait till it gets like used, a little old before you try to really do that. So that could just be that. So who knows, but nevertheless, I really like this hair. I think it is so cute and these curls just are giving it like bombshell vibes and I love it. I really love it. It is so soft. I just love it. So the pros and cons of this hair, the pro is that it is a frontal, so you can style it however you want. You could put it in a middle part, a side part, you could put it up, you could do whatever you want with it. So that is definitely always gonna be a pro. Another pro of the hair is the texture. I've been saying throughout this whole video how soft this hair is, and this hair is truly like soft. Like I just love running my hands through it. It's really soft. Like I can't explain it. You guys gotta get this hair. But cons of this hair would be the amount of flyaways. This hair had more than enough flyaways. I'm not really a type of person to complain about flyaways, but it had more than enough. Another con would be if the hair really can't hold a curl, that will definitely be a con. But I can't really say that as of now. We really don't know if that's how the hair is or if it's just because the hair is fresh, because that does happen with fresh hair. But besides all of that, I really like this hair. So that's all I have to say. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys like this hair on me as much as I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it? Because I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling this hair. Comment down below any questions that you guys have and I will definitely answer them. I always answer your questions, but if you have a question, make sure you check the comment section to see if somebody asked it before you did, so you could get your answer, because a lot of the times you guys ask me the same thing over and over and I answer it over and over. So just check the comment section, please. It's gonna save me some time, it's gonna save you some time. It's gonna save everybody a lot of time, okay? Yeah, that's all I have to say. Make sure you guys like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already, because sis be coming through with content. It's me. I'm sis. Sis be coming through with content. I post videos every other Friday, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm always gonna be hooking y'all up. Like I said, I'm gonna be hooking y'all up, y'all my sisters. So it's lit for us, you know. I'm putting y'all on to the hair, I'm putting y'all on to the makeup, I'm putting y'all on to everything. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. It's been lit, it's gonna be lit. Make sure you guys subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend thanks again for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if I didn't already say, thank you Alipearl for sending me this hair, this beautiful hair. I love it so much. I really appreciate you guys reaching out to me and, you know, wanting to work with me. Thank you. Bye.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? If your man mad, baby, oh